Guys, welcome to another episode. And in this episode is kind of like I'm doing some trying for this vehicle, my 2000 Honda Accord, and I got this test pipe, and I'm just gonna use it to see if I can get some crackles and some backfire on this car. Obviously, I still have the stock exhaust. If you guys been watching my videos, you're gonna know that I still have a full exhaust system for this vehicle, but I decided to pull it off because this car is automatic, and the noise that it was making, it was just too much. And plus it's automatic, so it sounds riser. So I'm gonna put only the test pipe. I'm gonna remove the catalytic converter, and I'm gonna see if it makes some changes on the sound. Obviously this is not street legal. I'm gonna put this test pipe, and then I'm gonna remove it. I'm just doing this for the video, okay? But I'm gonna put this test pipe, remove my catalytic converter. This is really easy to do. It's only 3 bolts on that side, 3 on that side, and remove the oxygen sensor. And I already make a video on replacing the oxygen sensor, so I'm gonna put the link for all those videos on the description. It's gonna be related about the headers, full exhaust, when I replace it, how to replace the catalytic converter, and I have another one on the oxygen sensor, downstream oxygen sensor. So really easy to do. I'm gonna start the car right now to get the notes, to see how it sounds, and put the test pipe and see the difference. Well, that's in stock exhaust. Obviously on this vehicle I have headers, and pretty much that's it. So headers and downpipe, that's aftermarket. The rest of the exhaust is stock. So we're gonna change the test pipe right now. I'm gonna turn the car off, let it cool off, and then we'll see if we make some difference. If it doesn't make any difference, I'm gonna put the full exhaust, the aftermarket one, just to make it as loud as possible. And for this installation, tools that I'm gonna need is gonna be couple wrenches. I'm gonna use these pliers to remove the connector on the oxygen sensor, 22 millimeter wrench for my oxygen sensor. And for the new bolts on the new system, the bolt needs a 16, and the little nut needs a 14 millimeter. The new test pipe came with new gaskets. we'll see how it sounds with this pipe instead of a catalytic converter. This catalytic converter looks still look good inside. So like I said before, this is not a street legal, this is off-road only, so I'm just doing it for the video, you guys know. This pipe is installed. If you can see, I was run the oxygen sensor, it goes on the back, so everything lined up really good. I'm really happy with the way it looks and the way it turned out. So now I just gotta tighten up those bolts and connect my oxygen sensor, tighten up my oxygen sensor, and start the car, see how it sounds. Okay guys, I just installed the test pipe, so I'm gonna start it for the first time, and hopefully we have some difference on the sound. So this is a cold start. I don't have any check engine, and it sounds the same, so hopefully I'm gonna let it warm up to start revving the car. Hopefully we'll have some difference on the sound. Car is still not fully warm up, so that was only 4,500 RPM, and it makes some noise. Now I'm really happy. Now if I want to be even louder, I have my full aftermarket exhaust. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.